Sticky Memo Widget Pro includes all the features of the light version, and a lot more. It lets you customize a note's appearance, permits you to load and save notes to the SD card, and lets you quickly paste clipboard contents into any of your existing notes. The Pro Edition allows you to change a lot about a note's appearance. This includes the note color, the text size, and even lets you apply some effects like bolding and underlining. While editing an existing note, tap the menu button to access all these options. Changing the color of a note is as easy as tapping on the note color option and selecting one of the preset options. If you're unsatisfied with the preset options, you can always add your own color by going back to the note color screen, using the menu, choosing Add, and using the built-in color picker to create your own customized color. Scroll down to your new custom color, tap on it, and your note will have your own custom color. The text color option works in the same manner to let you change the color of your text. Changing text size means going to the text size option and perhaps choosing a bigger font. Text appearance options work the same way, allowing you to apply other effects to your text like bolding. Press Save to see your note on the home screen with the new appearance settings. If you like the overall bundle of settings, the colors and the text size, you can save these options as a style so that you can easily apply them to future notes. Simply go to the Styles option, press Add, and create a new style by giving it a name. Now when you go to the home screen to create new widgets, you will be asked what style to create the note with. And you can choose your new style to create notes easily that match your theme. Thus, Sticky Memo Widget Pro allows you to quickly create a variety of different notes through these saved styles and giving you a lot of options in terms of customizing a note's appearance. Sticky Memo Widget Pro gives you the power to load and save notes from the SD card. Essentially, your note will be stored on the SD card rather than the phone's internal memory. Notes are stored by default on a phone's internal memory, which may make it faster to load and save. But changing phones or uninstalling the application will cause you to lose your precious notes. On the other hand, using the external storage, which is commonly an SD card, will let you keep your notes and move them to any phone, and it sort of acts like a backup in that way, in case your phone breaks. You can see the storage settings of a current note by going to Menu and hitting the Storage Settings option. You can use the external storage radio button and include a file name to store your note as. If you enter a file name that exists, Pro will give you the choice to take that file's contents or overwrite that file with your current note's contents, so be careful when applying storage settings. Clicking Save after entering a file name will now store the note on the SD card. Storing your note on the SD card means you can also hook up your phone to the computer, and you can use Notepad or some text editor to edit the notes while you're on your computer, and then after unmounting your SD card, you can see them conveniently updated on your phone. While there are some dangers with overwriting some files, Using the external storage option can provide a greater peace of mind by saving notes outside the phone's internal memory, and gives you the additional flexibility to edit your notes from a computer by hooking your phone to a PC. Although Sticky Memo Widget Pro is primarily a widget, it also comes with an helper application that lets you quickly access all your notes and adds an additional capability to quickly paste clipboard contents into those notes. Tap the Sticky Memo Widget application icon and you'll immediately see a list of all your current notes. Selecting a note from this list expectedly allows you to edit the note. However, long pressing the note in the list reveals some additional options like pasting from the clipboard. The best practice is to bind Sticky Memo Widget Pro to a quick launch hotkey so that you can bring it quickly while doing something else. If you're not familiar with quick launch, here's a quick tutorial. Click on Settings, choose the Applications item, go to Quick Launch, find an empty entry and bind it to Sticky Memo Widget Pro. Here in this screen I've bound it to 0, so hitting the search button in addition to 0 will bring up Sticky Memo Widget Pro. Now, for instance, while browsing the web, you might come upon a book title that you want to remember. Simply select some text. Simply select some text from the browser menu, from the browser window, and use your quick launch shortcut to bring up Sticky Memo Widget Pro, long press, and paste from the clipboard. If you later come back to the note, you can see that your note has pasted the book title. Now simply use the back button to return to the web page and resume your work. In this way, Sticky Memo Widget Pro can act a lot like a quick scrapbook if you bind it to a quick launch shortcut and use the paste from clipboard option. Thus, overall, Sticky Memo Widget Pro improves upon the Lite edition by giving you a multitude of ways to customize a note's appearance, giving you varying storage options, and giving you a convenient way of pasting clipboard content into notes.